Hi guys, today we're going to work on this cute paper bow. It is 3D and it is easy and fast to make. I'll show you how. We sell templates to cut and fold and make this bow, and they are in our shop. Direct link you can find under this video right in the description, and there are just a few parts. They look like this, and I'll show you how to glue them together to get this cute guy. So first we work with these big parts, and we just literally glue them. We almost fold them in halves like this, but do not press here. We form a loop this way, and now we glue them together this way. Now we form a loop, a smaller one, same way. This way, and now we glue these loops on top of that ones. This way. Now we need to glue these ends underneath, but in order to straighten them nicely, I just watch them from the front this way, and the final touch is here. A little bit of glue, and here we go. This is a nice Christmas colored bow. You can make it in any color, and for the Christmas decor you can add some green leaves or some sprinkles around, or you can place a few flowers around